Thinking about a remodel in Vancouver, WA? Here's why hiring a licensed contractor isn't just smart, it's legally critical. Licensed contractors don't just build, they ensure every remodel meets city and state codes. From ADUs, garage conversions, additions, patio covers, these projects must be code compliant. Licensing means knowledge of local building laws, insurance, bonding, continuing education, and accountability. A licensed general contractor handles the permits, paperwork, inspections, and protects you with liability insurance. Unlicensed work? It can cost you big. Failed inspections, fines, and lower home value. High-risk projects like second-story additions, basement builds, decks, and stamped concrete? These must meet strict structural plus safety codes. KC Remodeling handles all of that, start to finish. We manage permits, code compliance, walkthroughs, and quality, all in-house. So if you want peace of mind, don't risk DIY or cut-rate labor. Hire licensed, hire experienced, hire compliant. KC Remodeling, Vancouver's trusted licensed general contractor. Book your consultation today. Let's build it right.